He's drinking well. Water pressure is good. Good flow. He's getting his fill. Hip height is 152 cm.
Jaws normal, no swelling.
Moving to the second bull.
Body condition score is 7.
Transport vehicles arrive at the state-of-the-art factory, carrying legally sourced Grey Brahman cattle. The white horns and prepared hides are processed as sustainable and high-quality supply chain.
This one's thick enough, but the length is just short. The color on this tit's a bit off. Okay, this one meets all the criteria. Initiate trim on the large horn section. Cut complete. Monitor the next feed.
Horn material enters the drying chambers, where moisture levels are carefully controlled to maintain durability and natural appearance.
Let's get these into the first CNC.
Okay, machine 3 is ready.
Initiating the cut prep program now.
Feed rate looks good. Monitoring is
Batches are organized by accessory type. Now, selecting pieces for final assembly.
quality is checked at each step.
Meanwhile, premium hides move into large soaking tanks inside the leather processing department, advanced treatment systems operating continuously. The hides are immersed in chemical solutions, beginning the transformation. Next, the hides enter the tanning drum, where rotation preserves surface quality and durability.
Humidity's at 45%. Keep it steady.
Got it. Loading the last hide. Temp is climbing. That's good.
Surface looks even. Check the grain. Consistent. Flipping it. Underside is clean. No flaws. Agreed. This batch is good. Starting batch 2. This one feels good.
Okay, passing it over. This one's ready for cutting.
Good. Keep the flow going.
Stitching is even, no flaws on the leather surface.
Teeth alignment is perfect under magnification. Surface is smooth, no imperfections. This piece passes.
Initiating placement sequence now.
Product secured. Moving to box.
Placement complete. Sealing box.